Guys, we are going to make the Dalgona cookie. Why do I keep saying cookie? Coffee today. Ooh, it's snowing outside. We're gonna try this today. It's really good. It's super yummy. Marcia's already finished with it. But this is gonna be all the products that we're gonna be using today. We're gonna be using heavy whipped cream. I'm gonna be using Milo. I don't drink coffee, so Milo it is. Milo every day, and then sugar, and then some mixer. You can use any mixer, it doesn't have to be the fancy ones, but I made it and it's so good. Right, Marcy?
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Yeah, but you just took it from me and I dripped some on the ground.
Where?
You just took it from me really fast. I was drinking it.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna need some whipping cream and milk with that. What do you think?
I love Milo and milk. But the mixture is sweet. I give you 5 stars.
Thank you. Thank you, girl.
You're welcome. I love it.
Dalgona Milo coffee. So that's it, guys. That's like the final product. And it's really, really good. See you guys on the next video.